Welcome to Rooted Reverie, where every plant tells a story. Today we're diving into the art of repotting bonsai. Simple, satisfying, and beginner-friendly. Over time, bonsai trees outgrow their pots. If you notice roots circling the base or water not absorbing well, it's time for a fresh start. Here's what you'll need: a new pot with drainage holes, bonsai soil mix, a root rake or chopstick, and pruning scissors or shears. Step 1. Gently remove the bonsai from its pot. Loosen the root ball slowly and carefully. This part is delicate. Step 2. Trim any long, tangled, or circling roots. This encourages healthy, compact growth and gives your bonsai room to breathe. Step 3. Prepare the new pot with a layer of fresh bonsai soil. If needed, add wire to help anchor the tree securely. Place your bonsai in the center. Add more soil around it, gently pressing it down to eliminate air pockets. Water thoroughly and let it rest in a shaded area for a few days. This gives your bonsai time to adjust to its new environment, and just like that, your bonsai has a new home. Repotting isn't just maintenance, it's part of the journey of care and connection. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more green moments here on Rooted Reverie. Happy planting!